nakita mo yung mga Young Guns sa 19th Congress. They were one of the most active members in the House.
Kaya po tayo nandyan kasi nung nakaraang kongreso po, nakita po nila kung paano magtrabaho itong Young Guns.